I mean, it's going to be very strong for all retailers. What we're seeing is, American consumers just can't get enough goods right now. They can't go out dining as much. They can't go on vacation. So they're just pouring money into goods, particularly ones around the house. But we're seeing very robust spending in certain areas.
Amazon truly has what could be considered a captive audience this time. I mean, people would be here at work on their computers feeling a little guilty, but they're still shopping. But now they're at home and it's going to go crazy. What kind of numbers are we expecting from this two-day event?
We're looking at 35% growth in Amazon's numbers for their third quarter. It's a little bit of a slowdown, but honestly, things are going very good for Amazon right now. And I think one of the more amazing things is that their fulfillment centers are being able to do all this. You're having some redundancy there, and they're able to handle all the volume. It's an unbelievable accomplishment for this company.
So now, wait a minute. You're singing their praises. You're saying this is a great time and everything. You have a sell rating on Amazon right now. What is that about?
I think we look at Amazon. We did something called Amazon 2030, where we took out the business to 10 years and just said, what is the market assuming here? And we really can't get a value on a DCF, discounted cash flow basis, above 3,000. And we've incorporated a lot of benefits from the pandemic into that model. And so I think we look at that. And I think the other challenge for anyone but Amazon, any hardline retailer, a Home Depot, a Lowe's, a Tractor Supply, it's cycling this incredible sales volume you've seen, especially if you see parts of the economy open up more. If COVID wanes a little bit next year, we're going to cycle over stimulus. We got to cycle over incredible sales numbers. Right now we have something called the R5 Comfort Index, which still shows consumers very hesitant to do certain things, like go to a movie theater. We expect that to fade next year, and we also expect incomes to start to drop, again, as we cycle over the massive stimulus. And so we put this all together, and we think the outlook is a slowdown in Amazon, not necessarily negative, but also with that DCF I was referencing before. An old friend of mine, mentor in the business, a guy named Barclay Perry, always said, you never go broke taking a profit.
Right.
We think it's almost, the stock's up a ton. We'd be fading it right here.
Yeah.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.